January 13th, just after lunch. Cleaning up from the big snowstorm we got last night. Got about a foot of snow and then it rained a bunch, and it's mild now, but it's just starting to go below freezing again, so got a pretty good handle on this. Got to go do a couple neighbors' driveways because the snow is pretty heavy for little four-wheelers to be pushing around, and then maybe go snowmobiling tomorrow. This stuff is wet and heavy. That's the tool for the job though. Wow, I can't wait to shovel that walkway. That'll be character building. Got this all finished up. That looks good. On to the next one. Oh boy. Wow, that stuff is heavy. Just missed my super cool action shot. GoPro doing GoPro stuff. I hope all that footage didn't just disappear. Just doing some storm cleanup after the fact. Ended up with a great big bank over here and didn't really want that. Kind of blocking in this trailer. Get it cleared out. Been doing a bunch of work on the backhoe, that's why there's no hood or side panels on it right now. Get this bank out of the way and then we'll be in good shape.